Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Super Bear Adventure on desktop or laptop. Alright, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave right here, Opera. Alright, so go ahead and open it up and then go ahead and find Google Play Games PC. Alright, go ahead and hit on enter and click on Google Play Games right here. Alright, just click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, click on the download on PC button in here. Now when you click on download, you can go ahead and save it wherever you want, save, and just click on install. All right, you can now go ahead and close the browser and just wait for the installer to load. Now I'm not going to do it again because as you can see here, I already have it. Okay, just basically follow simple prompts. Click on install, install, finish. All right. Now, once that's done, or once it's installed, you can now go ahead and open it up. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you can see here, it looks like the Google Play Store. So if this is your first time, it's going to ask you to log in. So just go ahead and log in. And once you're in here, just go to the Explore button or the magnifying glass. Now at the top right, you have the search bar. Just type down Super Bear. Okay, as you can see here, we have a Super Bear Adventure. So just click on it, and here we have it. All you got to do is just click on it, wait for it to load, and just click on install. All right. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and add a desktop shortcut. So just click on add, wait for it, and then after that, you can go ahead and check your desktop icons right here, and you'll have a Super Bear Adventure in a moment. And there you have it. Okay. You're going to hit on play by using Google Play Games. This is a launcher, or right from your desktop. Just double click on it, wait for it to load. It will automatically log you in with your Google Play Games account. Okay, you can minimize the launcher right here. Accept or select all, hit on continue, and just wait for the game to load. There you go. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and use a controller. Okay, as it states there, if you have an Xbox or PlayStation controller, you can just go and plug it in right here onto your computer. And here we have it. And that is how you download and play Super Bear Adventure on PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.